Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Audi Q3 maintenance light reset. First of all, go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and we are going to reset it on this screen over here, and we're going to simply use these buttons down here. We're going to use the scroller, and the scroller is also act as a enter, so you can press on it. And we're going to use this button right here, the menu. Go ahead and press menu, and you're going to get here to this page, and go ahead and use the scroller. Scroll to car, enter on that, scroll down to servicing and check, enter on that, scroll down to service interval display, enter on that, and scroll all the way down to reset oil change interval, enter on that, scroll up to yes, enter on that, and that will do, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.